Welcome to the report of me, HUAWEI MatePad Pro, and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first, let's open the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Then you'll see here notifications volume panel, and just to mute notifications you should hold and swipe to the left side this volume panel, and that's it. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first we should here in volume button function change media to notifications, and now by press to the down volume button we can also mute notifications on our device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.